Sorry for mark a dog. Dog, you know. Sorry for mark a dog. The same dog there. Turn around and bite him.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Welcome back to the channel, my peeps. Manners and prayers give thanks to life. That me say don't. So yes, there people. I know we are going to some little thing, a thing called old time proverbs. Good old Jamaican proverbs. So what I say, run back to one of them thing there. Let's see if I can rap a little bit with people them out there. And them some there. A few of them, I cool back a little vibe. You know what thing go? Round the way I swing go. So the first one now these are. Listen now. First one we go after. Them something you know people. Yeah, them son how you know about some real something them in their life, you know.
Yeah.
Not tell you know. Alright. First one we go after it I say, I know one day monkey, I go want a wife. I don't know about it, but enough of people and you know we know what that's something. We grew up from start, know what that's something. I know one day monkey, I go want a wife. These are. You hear about that?
I haven't heard this one before, you know. This is the first I'm hearing this one, to be honest. Yeah.
Okay, hear them say officially, you know.
Alright, so you don't know how often you'll need help in the future, so be careful not to turn your back on those who help you. Guys, I'm going to put it on the screen. I read it again. You don't know how often you'll need help in the future, so be careful not to turn your back on those who help you.
Hear that? Yes. Don't turn your back. Don't be ungrateful. So that's something they go. I them something that sound foolish, but I'm telling you a real something in our life. Alright. We take our time, I go down the road.
Alright, number 2.
See me and not know me are two different things.
See me and know me.
I say, put it together officially. See me and gonna live with me are two different something.
My granny used to say that all the time. My granny used to say it all the time.
That's something there. See me and gonna live with me are two different something. I read something man, cause we see each other out the road and I say, what a nice somebody that. What? They want to go down there for one day. You better if anybody know that one day. It's real something that. It's a kind of go through that. So we are going through the third one now.
Let me do the official translation.
Yeah.
So you can't really know a person just by looking at them, even if you see them often. Unless you spend a lot of time with them, you can't know who they really are.
That's the whole point of it. See me and come live with me are two different something. Alright, that's the thing there. And I read something. Yeah man. Them say, I wanna know. Hard years pitney, grave there roadside. Hard years pitney, grave there roadside. So when you talk to your pitney, and you talk to your pitney and I go like you nah here. Or any pitney you talk to, and I'm going to respect what big people I say. You know what them say? You have stick broken in your ears. Parents are supposed to know what that's something there. Your parents have to wait. Stick broken in your ears, man. These are what them say what that's something there.
So misfortune will befall those, especially children, who do not listen to their parents' advice.
You hear that now? That's something there. I know your mother and your father. Listen to your parents' advice, man. You can't run off for your family. That's the thing there. Never drop it. Yeah, my people, they go to the one man because we know the thing go. What sweet nanny goat? I go run in belly.
Yeah.
These are. What am I saying?
I hear this one all the time as well. So the source of your pleasure now might cause you great sorrow later on. The source of your pleasure now might cause you great sorrow later on.
That sweetness there and the glitter and glamour the way you're running right now. God go with a little more. Remember that's something there, you know? Watch how you move. Alright? One man will do it down the line. But take your time and go to the something here. Because we don't know what to go on now. We never know what to go on. Get with it. So the thing set up. Alright.
Number 5.
5 with them now. The one dog him now. And the one normal smarty him now. You know what I'm doing now? Dog have money, him go buy cheese. Dog tell himself say him have a piece of food, so him see cheese around, him go look piece of cheese too. And him know say man cheese not good enough. What them say, Tisa?
When people have a lot of money, they buy things that they don't need. When people have a lot of money, they buy things that are useless. They don't need.
Dog knows say man cheese not good enough. But him tell you some other things, so him I go on a cheese side, so a problem that the man cheese in but him say him have money, say him go drink tea. I don't know that, him do him have to do, so him learn from that. That's how you think go.
Number 6.
Number 6. Fire they are most there. And them think a cool breeze. What you know? Fire they are most there. And them check say a storm or hurricane. Breeze my feel, you know. These are
So, a translation, when someone is oblivious to an impending disaster and thinks all is well, otherwise don't mistake a dangerous situation for something safe. Don't mistake a dangerous situation for something safe.
That's something there, you know. You have to understand these things in life because it's reality to them. Reality something there. I'm going to drop them something there. You have to understand these things. You can't go around it. Alright, my people. But take your time to go through them and not know them. But we have to take your time to go line.
Number 7.
Evil. Something you know. Dog a sweat. But long hair cover it. Dog a sweat, you know. You can't see it.
I can relate to this one.
Where's the runner side?
Yes, I think we can all relate to this one. Not everyone needs to know when you're going through hard times. You can dress up, have fun, and carry on with life, even though all is not well in your life. So not everyone needs to know when you're going through hard times.
Reality speaking.
Yeah.
Chronic sing it now and then song too. Go get alone now. Yeah. So if you understand these things in life and read something. Pick something out of that. It's real. Alright, my people.
Number 8.
Number 8 today now. Want it, can't get it. And get it, now want it.
Yeah.
You hear me, some people? Want it, can't get it. And get it. Now want it. So you see how life set up? Everything I got, what going on outside?
So the person who has the most, I'm going to say that again. The person who has the most needs can't get what they want. But the person who has an abundance doesn't want what they have.
So as a someone get bad mind and go thief among the things. Still can't hold him ground. He want it more than a man who have it, you know. But he still can't hold him ground. He go do different things and grow a line. Want it, can't get it. Get it, now want it. These things happen in life right through. Alright, we'll go down the line.
Alright, number 9.
Everywhere you turn, Maka joke you.
Yeah.
Joke. So like a man on the social media say boy, I go on a wicked about it today, say boy, everywhere him turn Maka joke him, you know what name life. See that? What else around the side?
Hold on, has Maka ever juked you before?
Yeah, but I never went turn. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's a joke.
So every move I make, I encounter a problem. Every move I make, I encounter a problem.
Something wrong there, so. Something wrong. No, something wrong. So you have to start out yourself, that's now. Yes, you have to start out yourself. Not kill people or hurt people, you start with yourself. That's how the thing set up. We can't go around that.
Number 10.
People. Sorry for my dog. Dog, you know. Sorry for my dog. The same dog there. Turn around and bite him. Sorry for my dog. The same dog there. Turn around and bite you. Alright.
Alright. The people you help may very well be the ones to turn around and do you wrong. The people you help may be the same people to turn around and do you wrong.
Same man, you say a right hand man, you know. Have him all over the place, really all about the place. And the same man, where you say a right hand man, you actually use man wipe your bottom. Because that's the right hand, you say. And the same man, they go beat you back in the thing. The same brother there. Look out for them. Wolf in a sheep clothing. Backstabbers. these things, them in the place, them did it too. So we look for them. Alright.
Number 11.
Let me say, you know. If man not dead, no call him dopey. Man not dead, no call him dopey.
Okay. Don't give up. As long as a person has life, there is hope for him to find a way. Don't give up. As long as a person has life, there is hope for him to find a way.
Whilst there is life, there is hope.
You say that all the time, don't you?
You know, you must say that something like that, you know.
All the time.
Whilst there is life, there is hope. But some man can't take a pressure and go by a rope. You don't know how to do with that. What may I say? Whilst there is life, there is hope, people. Respect our manners.
Alright, number 12.
We are going this now. Alright. People, you have to understand life. Sometimes I run whole heap of joke. And we say, I run two jokes in life, but and every joke a joke, you know. That's something I name. What is joke to you? Death to me. People, me say, you know, what is joke to you? Very detrimental to me. What else around I said about that something?
Say it after you just said it. What's funny to you may be a source of pain for me. What's funny to you may be a source of pain for me.
That means when you take run joke a serious thing to me, life and death to me, and you have it to take a run joke and take it like a joke, something or puppet on the string thing. Yeah. No, a serious, we get serious about that right now. You know, normal people.
Okay, number 13.
Yes, people. Number 13, Rasta. So, I think I know that one. That one is very famous, but I will pass something going on tonight. That's something your name. No cup, no broke. No coffee, no dash way. When you say that's something I want to do times.
He says this every people, you know what, let me come up with the camera. Guys, he says this every day. Every day of my life, I hear this one. Okay.
People, it have good and bad night. The good part of it is when you say, no cup, no broke. A good part that. The bad part is, when the cup broke and the coffee dash way. What else about that something around that side?
So yeah, really just means since nothing serious has happened as a result of an issue, it can be ignored or forgiven.
That makes
You
sense.
don't forget about it because nothing serious really happened.
Good.
So it's all good.
You don't have to try it.
You can move on.
Yeah, you don't have to draw or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to drive so far. You don't have to go so far. Everything can be solved by a normal way.
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't have to go around us with it, man. Make it stay, man. No cup, no broke, no coffee, no dash way. It work. Alright, Mr. That's something I name number what? 14 with them, you know. You got 14 and all that stuff. That's something I name. When plant one dead, it shoot. When plant one dead, it shoots. From a reality point, you can't understand that because when plant shoot, I dead right as well. After I buried that one day, it dead right as well.
Wow.
You
No,
understand?
I never knew that. I didn't know that.
Can't grow again, can't
Just
bear
one
again.
time and that's it.
One time.
Right.
Same thing with banana, but I'm just a plant in the phrase. A real thing.
Okay, so translation: the life of a planting tree is over when it has borne a single bunch of plantings.
That's what I said.
So, someone's greatest accomplishment might be their last.
Manners and brothers. That's something there. Very realistic. I tell you that's something there. Another man something, I real something I go on in life. Right now. To go on. Now, watch me. But I jump down to the next one now.
What number is this one?
Jump out that side there. The one that 15 with them, that's that. So we are go, we check it out, we are go say, remember that something people. Every who of them take a bush.
I hear this every day. I hear this all the time as well.
What them say around that side after all these things?
Alright, simply put, there's someone out there for everyone.
Good.
There's somebody out there for everybody.
Yeah man. So the one where you run after, and most of you want that, you know? No. And you say, boy, the one here, you tell yourself I feel that one, and you know, can't live good. Not no good now in life.
It wasn't for you.
You wrong stick that there, brother. Go back a bush, man. That's the thing, go back a bush, go look at that something. That's the thing, bro. Alright, my people, we are going to start now. What about that? 16, no? What do you mean? We have to go on the side and find out what I go on into the thing. The whole thing. You have a thing named Duppy know who for friend. Duppy know who for friend. People. You remember that something there? Duppy know who for friend. A reality, man. Yeah, them saying about something there on the side.
Well, do you know, it can stand for a lot of things, innit? But a simple one could be that bullies in particular know who to pick on.
Good.
Bullies know who to pick on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, someone that call some man name and someone that call up some man that go on the most way of road. One man or two man name him never call.
True.
And them man there name should have call, you know. But he never call them name there.
Because he knows the consequences.
Duppy know for friend.
Alright.
I read something.
So number 17.
Yeah, we are going aside there, Rasta. Them say silent river run deep. Silent river run deep, my people. It being well about something.
Can have a lot of different meanings. But never underestimate a person who is quiet.
Yeah, man. You know, for that. Because somebody be quiet, you know.
Sometimes they're the ones with the brain, intelligence, solutions. Yeah.
Watch me now, people. Big crowd of people right us up. I chat more, everybody chat back at things. And one manager and ask nothing, just the sun. Observe everything what I want. Him hear everything and then see everything and him not say nothing. See that person there? Can tell you everything we're going after. After everything done, that person can tell you everything we're going. Not too long ago. I know would have run up and say things. You know, man, you know? That person there, where they there, him, the man. Silent around deep.
Alright, number 18.
I'm going to say the next way still. But I will say the real way. Cock mouth, kill cock. People go for the fall mouth, kill fall, but you gotta say the real way. Cock mouth, kill cock. Read something that. Read something, you know. Alright. Tell me what I go on that side of these.
Be careful what you say, it might come back to haunt you.
Yeah. So man here is up at 14. Watch when you got at 14 there. Yeah, see him 14 never come up around and chop it down. So watch how you use up that 14 there. Watch it. Watch it. Remember this is the coffee that I show you know. Watch how you use the 14. Alright? Right, we're on the side there.
19.
Yeah. 19. So that's something I always go up original in every little move. One cocoa full basket.
Oh yes.
One cocoa full basket.
Always hear this.
And you better take attention to that something, you know, I don't know normal something. Yeah. So the man when I grab after that big lump sum there every time. That big lump sum there, I just start to grab after. Like what some people are doing in Jamaica right now. I grab after that big lump sum there.
We should take things one step at a time and eventually we will get where we want to.
Creep before you walk. Round the thing there, you know.
Yeah.
Creep before you walk. Just the thing there. So I don't know you see it. But I run the thing there. You know what thing go? Round the way I swing go. We have the next one on the line, don't we?
Last one, number 20.
We're not dead, not dash it away.
I hear this all the time too, people. Every day.
We're not dead, not dash away. Reality, you know? Reality. Some people take this thing up here, joke when we are talking this thing. We're not dead, you mustn't dash away. I go there come see back your thing on the line. The one way I plan for dash away, go there come see about night last. I think them so whatever's around the side.
You know, you said it already. Like once there is life, there's hope.
Give thanks to life. That's everything, man. I fear them that share with you know. I mean, I have to remind them back when they something away. We go through in our life and still I go on in our life. We can't go around these things in life. All the way we say, a while ago, nobody can go around it. So we all face in our life. We don't face it yet, you know, soon know what I go on. But when I time, ask the ask, you look up pick the ask the mother say, how few months long, son, man? And the mother say, you don't worry about that, man. Grow, man. You soon know. It is not enough for that same amount, you have to go feed them. That same amount, you have to go drink, I have to go put them somewhere to lay down cool. You have to use that mouth and do everything. The mouth alone, you have to do it. But things soon know you grow. Nothing wrong with it. It works. So what you have to know, people? You have to give thanks to life. So I open up like good thing, you know. Because we are that's what we are really doing, you know. So we are kind of like and subscribe and share and all these things. Watch on like a piece of the ads. Because that looks like something that can work for you and all these things. So Mr. Manners and Prayers, just to give thanks to life. It's a long life and happy living. Good health with a small piece of wealth. Take care of yourself. That me say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.